Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In today's video, I'll walk you through the process of resetting your TP-Link AX3000 Wi-Fi range extender to its factory default settings. If you're encountering persistent connectivity problems or need a fresh start, resetting can resolve most issues. Let's jump into the reset process. Resetting the TP-Link AX3000 extender is necessary to restore factory settings, resolving persistent connectivity issues or incorrect configurations. This process clears all customized settings, allowing you to start fresh, ensuring optimal performance and compatibility with your home network. It's a simple yet effective troubleshooting step. Begin by finding the reset button on your TP-Link AX3000 Wi-Fi range extender. This small recessed button is usually located on the side or bottom of the device. To press it, you'll need a pin, paperclip, or similar tool. Ensure that your TP-Link AX3000 is plugged into a power outlet and is powered on. Look for the LED indicator, which should be solid blue or green. This shows that the device is functioning correctly and is ready for setup. Ensure that your TP-Link AX3000 is plugged into a power outlet and is powered on. Look for the LED indicator, which should be solid blue or green. This shows that the device is functioning correctly and is ready for setup. Once you release the reset button, the extender will automatically reboot. During this time, the LED indicator will flash for a short period. When it eventually turns solid again, it confirms that the reset process has been successfully completed. Following the reset, your TP-Link AX3000 will revert to its original factory settings. This means you'll need to reconfigure the extender as you did during the initial setup. You can do this easily through the TP-Link Tether app or a web browser. If you experience any difficulties or require assistance, our expert team is ready to help. Don't hesitate to reach out to them at 323-471-3045 for support and guidance. Additionally, feel free to leave any questions in the comments below. And that's a wrap. Your TP-Link AX3000 has been successfully reset to its factory default settings. If you found this video useful, please remember to like and subscribe for more valuable tech tips. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.